hurting, so.
Right, okay. So what's on the, sorry, you've gone down way.
Too far?
Okay,
There.
and then, okay. What I want to do is leg straight, raise off the table. As I'm press down over, hold. Okay, good. And the other side, raise off the table, press down over, hold. Okay, good. Right, then now we turn on the side, this side down,
This side down.
this side up. Now most everyone's do like this, I know I've just do like this a couple of
Okay.
times, and you're right over there.
Yeah,
You know,
I think so. I think this one's okay.
Okay, and then turn over the other side. Okay, good. And then turn onto your back like that. Okay. Hold you together there. I'll adjust your anterior loop.
Okay.
Right. Oh. That's it. Okay. Okay, beautiful.
Good.
You turn onto your back.
Yep.
Just scoot over, that's it, good, just that. And then you hold that, I'm just going to go top of the back.
Mhm.
Actually, I want to do this further down, and then kind of, all over your belly. Right. It's actually the most important one for you at the moment.
Mhm.
So this psoas muscular base. Just bring balance to your hips there. Pose. Hello, I'm doing that way. Back. Yeah. More like on that. Beautiful.
Good.
That looks good.
All right.